Happy morning, students. Welcome to grade 6 English class. Today we are going to learn our first grammar, that is articles. Look at the title, children. ARTICLES, articles. Pronounce it, children, articles. Articles. This is our first grammar. Children, do you have any guess about that is what I mean by articles? Articles means it is a word that define a noun as specific or unspecific. You all know about what I mean by noun. Noun is a naming word. Noun is a naming word. That is, it defines a name of a person, place, animal or thing. That is known as noun. You all know that noun is a naming word. It defines a name of a person, place, then animal and thing. Whereas these articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. This article, it defines the noun. It defines either a name of a person or place, animal or thing. That is known as articles. Now look at the definition of articles, children. Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. So listen, children. Articles means it is a word which defines a noun. Noun means it is a naming word, name of a person, place, animal and thing. Articles that define a noun as specific or unspecific. If whether the noun is specific or unspecific, with the help of articles we can identify about the noun. So articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. It defines about the noun. Articles means it defines the naming word, whether the naming word is specific or unspecific. Now consider the following examples. Now look at the example, children. After the long day, the cup of tea tasted particularly good. By using the article the, here can you identify the article? Here we can say this article is mentioned here as the. We have shown that it was one specific day that was long and one specific cup of tea that tasted good. Here it is mentioned as a specific. After the long day, the long day. Here we have used the article as the. It is a specific. The article here we have noted as specific. The cup of tea. We have point out the cup of tea. So here we have used the article as the. So it is the specific. So look at the difference between specific and unspecific. Specific means when we are point out a particular thing, there we can say it is a specific noun. Whereas it is a general thing, a singular thing, but it is a general thing. There we can mention it is as an unspecific. Now look at this image, children. There is a book. An orange is also there. A girl is there. So look at the word, a book, an orange, a girl. Book is a noun. Orange is also noun. Girl is also noun. So you all can identify that these things are known as noun. Then what do you mean by articles? Articles are words that define a noun. It defines a noun as specific or unspecific. Now look at this. Book is there. Before that, what is used here? A article is used. What is the article here you have used? A book. Look at the next image. Orange is there. Before that, an article is used because article means that defines a noun. So here we have used the article as an orange. Look at the third example. Girl is there. Before that, girl, what is the article used? A. The article a is used. That is, article means it defines a noun. So the adjectives, or you can say as the adjectives a, an, and the are usually called articles. Articles means with these words, three words, we can identify that this is known as article. A, an, and the. These three are known as articles, and where we have to apply this article before the noun, we can use the article to describe about the noun. Noun means the naming word. Articles are used to describe the noun, or you can say as to describe the naming word. So here it is mentioned as a, an, and the. These three are known as articles. Now look at this, children. Articles means the words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. Listen, what are the article words? A, an, and the. Look at the spelling, children. A, and then an, and the. The. These three are known as articles which can be used before a noun. Noun means naming word. These articles we can use before a noun. According to the noun sound, we can use this article. So listen, the letter that is A and the word an are known as indefinite articles. Look at the spelling, children. In, definite, definite. Indefinite articles. How many are there indefinite articles? Two. One is a and another one is an. Now look at the next, the. The is there. This is known as definite article. Look at the spelling. definite. Definite article. So article means words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. These articles can be used before a noun. That is before a naming word. And what are the three articles? A, an, and the. These three are known as articles. Again recall, children. A, an, and the are known as articles. Among these three, a and an stands in one category, that is indefinite articles, whereas the is known as definite article. It stands alone. So definite article means the, indefinite articles means a and an. Again recall, children, articles means that words define a noun as specific or unspecific. And there are three articles is there, a, an, and the. The word that the an and a are known as indefinite articles, whereas the stands at definite articles. Now let's first see what do you mean by definite article, and then we can learn about indefinite articles. That what do you mean by indefinite articles? Articles means the words that define a noun, and three types of articles are a, an, and the are known as articles. Among that, a and an are known as indefinite articles, whereas the is known as a definite article. Now let's first learn about indefinite articles and the usage of indefinite article where we have used a or an. First listen the definition of indefinite article. Indefinite articles are used when we are referring to an unspecified thing or quantity. We use them when we don't know or don't care which thing we are talking about. Listen, children, this indefinite articles are used when we are referring to an unspecified thing. So this refers to an unspecific thing, whereas the article the, that is a definite articles, refers to a specific thing. This indefinite articles refers to an unspecific noun. Here in the indefinite articles, that is a and an, are used to refer to a noun for the first time. They are called the indefinite articles. Again listen, children. The articles, that is indefinite articles such as a and an, are used to refer to a noun for the first time, they are called indefinite articles. Now look at the usage of the article. There is an indefinite article a and an, where we have to use the indefinite article a or an. A or an is used to talk about things which are not particular. Usually, these are things that haven't been mentioned before or that the listener is unfamiliar with. Listen, children, this article, that is an indefinite article, you can say as unspecific. These articles are used to refer to a noun for the first time. So it is mentioned as indefinite article. And then where we have to use this article a, we use a before a singular noun. Noun means it's a naming word. For this purpose, for a singular noun, we can use the article a before that, beginning with a consonant sound. Again, listen, children. We use a, that is the article a, before a singular noun. The noun is a singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. Listen, you all know about the difference between vowel sound and consonant sound. What do you mean vowel letter, children? A, E, I, O and U. These 5 letters are known as vowels. Again listen, children. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are known as vowels in the alphabets. The remaining 21 letters which is in the alphabets, that is for B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. These 21 letters are known as consonant letters. So first you have to be good in idea with this. What do you mean by vowel letters and what are all consonant letters? Vowel letters means A, E, I, O and U are known as vowels. The remaining letters are known as consonants. Listen carefully, children. The sound produced, that is the beginning of the word. If it is begin the sound as A, either A, E, I, O and U, it is known as vowel sound. Whereas the remaining sound are known as consonant sound. So you have to be find out the difference between vowel sound and consonant sound of the word, the beginning of the word sound. So from the beginning of the word cup, hat, likewise you have to identify the sound, whether the sound of the word is a vowel sound or consonant sound. So this you have to keep in mind, children. Then where you have to use the article a, we use a, that is the article a before a singular noun. Singular noun. Listen carefully. We have to use both this article, that is a and an, only for a singular noun. This thing you have to keep in mind, children. For singular noun only, you have to use the article either a or an. If the noun hears the sound as the vowel sound, you have to use the article as an. If you hear the word of the noun with a consonant sound, you have to use the article as a. But both these articles are used only before a singular noun. We use a before a singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. So now look at this example. A boy is there. Boy. Find out the sound, children. Does a vowel sound or consonant sound? Boy. Pronounce it. Boy is there. So it is a consonant letter and it produces the consonant sound. Whereas boy is a singular noun. So if it is a singular noun and it gives a consonant sound, immediately you can use the article as a. So a boy. Look at the next one. Cat. Cat is there. What is the letter is there? Consonant letter. Can you identify the sound of the letter? That is the word cat. It is a consonant. So it is a consonant sound, whereas cat is a singular or plural. Only it is a singular. So if it is a singular noun, when we hear a consonant sound, there you can use the article as a. Then another one point, children, we use a when we talk about a person, a place, an animal or thing. For the first time, you can use the article as a. Listen, children. A dog, a fire, a gym. What is the pronunciation sound? That is a consonant sound. A gym, a horse, a joke, a kite, a line, a mirror, etc. So, when we hear this consonant sound, we can use the article as a before the noun. Now listen this, children, where we have to use this article as an. Here we use an before a singular noun beginning with a vowel sound. Whereas here where the usage of article a, there you should concentrate on consonant sound. Here the article an, we use this before a singular noun beginning with a vowel sound, that is A, E, I, O and U. These 5 letters are vowel letters and the sound produced by these letters are known as vowel sounds. So before the vowel sound, the noun should be a singular. There we can use the article as an. Listen carefully, children. We can use the article an before a singular noun, but it should begin with a vowel sound. So there you can use the article as an. Now look at the example, children. Apple. What is the sound there? Apple. It is a vowel sound. It is a singular also. It is mentioned only as apple, not apples. It is a singular noun and it produces the vowel sound. We can use the article an before the noun. So the answer is an apple. Now look at the next one. Elephant. E is there. What is the letter? E is there. The sound elephant. So it is a vowel sound. It is a singular noun. Before that you can use the article as an. An elephant. An idiot. An orange. An umbrella, etc. Likewise you have to use the article a or an. There is a slight difference between the article a and an. Both this article are known as indefinite articles. That is, the articles a and an are used to refer to a noun for the first time. They are called indefinite articles. Then where we have to use the article a and then an. First we have to learn what that is the usage of article a. We use the article a before a singular noun. Before the singular noun beginning with the consonant sound. Whereas this article an, this also we should use before a singular noun, but it should begin with a vowel sound. So listen, children, both the article a and an are used before a singular noun. So before you have to use only the article a and an before a singular noun. Whereas this singular noun, it produces a consonant sound, we can use the article as a. If the singular noun produce the vowel sound, we can use the article as an. So this is the difference between these two. And then look at this. A and an have the same meaning. A and an are definite articles. These two are known as indefinite articles. The difference depends on the sound at the beginning of the next word. So beginning the sound of the noun, we can say that is with the help of the noun sound, we can use the article either a or an. But both the articles we should use only before a singular noun. A means consonant sound and we have to use only with the vowel sound. So this is the main difference, children. A where you have to use before a consonant sound, and then an we have to use before the vowel sound. Now look at this examples, children. A book, a frog, a car is there, a lemon, truck, dog. These are only singular noun. Book is a singular, car, dog, frog, lemon, truck. These are singular nouns. So for singular noun we have to use before that an article, either a or an. But these words such as book, car, dog, frog, lemon and truck, these words produce only the consonant sound. So concentrate on the sound, children. These words produce only consonant sound. The beginning of the word book, car, dog, frog, lemon and truck produce only the consonant sound, and it is a singular noun. If the noun is a singular and it produces the consonant sound, before you have to use the article as a. So this point you have to keep in mind, children. Before a singular noun, when the noun produces the consonant sound, before that we have to use the article only a. Now come to this side, that is an. We use an before a singular noun beginning with a vowel sound, whereas a means consonant sound and we have to use only with the vowel sound, that is a, e, I, o and then u. Look at the example, children. Apple, egg, insect, orange, umbrella, actor. These are singular nouns. So with the singular nouns, you have to use the article either a or an according to the sound produced by the noun in the beginning. Now look at the sound, children. Apple. What is the sound is there? A sound is there. So it is a vowel sound. If it is a singular noun, produce a vowel sound, we can use the article as an before the vowel sound. So here it is mentioned as an apple. Now look at the next example. Egg is there. Egg. The sound is vowel sound. So before the vowel sound, you can use the article as an. Egg is a singular. So before the singular noun, it produces the vowel sound where we can use the article as an egg. Now look at the next one. Insect. What is there? Insect is there. Produce the vowel sound. So you can use the article as an. Next look at us. Orange. Umbrella. Actor. So it produces the which sound? Vowel sound or consonant sound? These are vowel sound. So it is a singular noun. It produces the vowel sound. So before this noun, we can use the article as an. Look at the important thing, children. The sound of the letter is important. Here, look at this. The vowel letter are A, E, I, O and U. So these are known as the vowel letter and the sound produced by these letters are known as vowel sound. There you can use the article as an. When we hear the consonant sound, before that you can use the article as a. So now listen carefully, children. The house, the word house is there. It produces the consonant sound. So there we have used the article as a house. There's a singular and the noun house produce the consonant sound. So we have mentioned as a house. Look at the below. Uncle is there. Uncle is there. The sound produced by this word is, that is a vowel sound. It's a singular. Uncle is singular. So before the singular noun, that the noun produce the vowel sound. Before that we can use the article as an. So the answer is an uncle, a house. This is clear, children. Now look at this. Whereas an R. What is the spelling here? H-O-U-R. An R. the letter is a consonant letter. H. H is a vowel or consonant letter, children. It is a consonant letter. Whereas the sound, look at the sound. Hear carefully. What is the sound here? An R. Don't say as hover. Say as an R. What is the sound? Here the H at the beginning of R is silent. The H sound is silent. What is the sound you can get from here? R. The sound is R. It is a vowel sound. So the letter, it may be a consonant letter, but the sound is the vowel sound. You have to use the article only an. Listen carefully, children. Don't simply look at the letter. If it is a H, it begin with the H. The noun, it begin with the letter H. So simply you should not write the article as a. You should concentrate the sound of the noun. And R. Look at the sound. R is there. It is a vowel sound. R. Pronounce it properly, children. Say louder. R. So the sound is the vowel sound. Even though the letter is a consonant letter, the sound produced by the noun is a vowel sound. So before the vowel sound, you have to use the article as an. So the answer is an R. Now come to the next one. University. Look at the word. There is a noun. University is the singular. And what is the starting letter? That the beginning letter of the noun. It is U. U is a vowel or consonant. U is the vowel letter. So it is a vowel letter. You should not simply write the article as an. Look at this. Uncle. They are also U. But there we have mentioned as the article as an. And then why here it is mentioned the article as a? Look at the difference. So here university. What is the sound here? U. The sound is a consonant sound. So when you hear the consonant sound, even though the beginning letter of the noun is a vowel, you have to only use the article as a. So a university. You should not write as an university. It is wrong. So keep this in your mind, children. Even though the letter is a consonant letter, the sound is a vowel sound, means you have to use only the article as an. The second one, whereas the letter U is the vowel letter, the sound of the noun is consonant sound. So we have to use the article as a. So this is the difference. A house and R. So this also H and this R is also begin with the letter as H. Whereas the sound differs. House is the consonant sound. So there we have used the article as a. Whereas R is the vowel sound. Before that we have used the which letter? There is a an. We have used the vowel sound. So we have used the article as an. Come to the next one. U and U. Uncle U. For uncle the beginning letter is U, and for university the beginning letter is U. Come to this uncle. There is a U. So there is a vowel sound. There you should use the article as an. Whereas this word university, even though the letter it's a vowel letter U, but the sound, concentrate, listen carefully to the sound. It is university. It is only the consonant sound. Before the consonant sound, you have to use only the article as a. So an uncle, a university. So don't simply look at the letter and write the article. Look at listen the sound carefully. Concentrate only on the sound. So the sound of the letter is more important. Look at this. This rule applies to all words after a or an. That is including adjectives or word verbs. Cold day. So cold is a which sound? That is a consonant sound. So there we have used as a. Very crazy person. Before that we have used the article as a. Easy lesson. Interesting class. So if it is a consonant sound, we have to use the article as a. If it is a vowel sound, we have to use the article as an. So you should not simply concentrate only on the letters of the noun, whereas you have to concentrate more on the sound of the letter. So where we have to use this type of article. This type of article, that is a and a, are known as indefinite articles, and it refers to a noun for the first time. So they are called as indefinite articles. These both, that is a and an, should be used before a singular noun. Whereas this article a should begin with a consonant sound, whereas this article you should use before a singular noun beginning with a vowel sound. Children, first we have learned that what do you mean by articles and what are the types of articles. There is a, an and the. This a and an are known as indefinite articles. We have learned that what do you mean by indefinite articles and what are the usage where you have to use the article a and an. Now let's learn about the definite article the. The is the definite article. Now look at the definition for definite article. The definite article is the word the. So listen children, the is known as the definite article. It limits the meaning of a noun to one particular thing. That is, we can say this article, that is a definite article, as a specific one. It is a specific thing. For the specific purpose, we can use the article the. Now look at the example. Your friend might ask, are you going to the party this weekend? The definite article tells you that your friend is referring to a specific party that both of you know about. So here, look at the example. Are you going to the party? So here, the article is used as the party. So it refers to a specific thing. Both the friend knows about the specific thing. So the party, the definite articles tells you that your friend is referring to a specific party, for a particular party that both of you know about. So here the article, the definite article is used as the, because it is used when the noun referred to has already been mentioned. So it is a referred, it is a specific thing. For a specific purpose, we can use the definite article the. Example for the definite article the. The is called the definite article as it is used to indicate something specific. For the specific purpose, we can use the article as the. We use the with words like cinema, theatre, radio, seaside, etc. So listen children, we can use this article for a specific purpose. Listen, we go to the cinema every Saturday. So here for a specific thing, cinema, the cinema. So for a specific purpose, we can use the article as the. Can you turn on the radio please? Here it is specified about the radio. So we can use the article as the before the noun. We can use this article for a specific purpose. The article the for a specific purpose, it is used when the noun referred to has already been mentioned. There we can use the article as the. And then we use the article the when we talk about a particular person, place, animal or thing. The article the is used with the proper names of books, oceans. Keep this in mind children, where you have to use the article the. You can use the article the before the name of books, oceans, seas, rivers, canals, bridges and also mountain ranges. And then we can use the article the for unique objects also when there is only one of the object in the world. For example, for religious books also, before that you can use the article as the. Now look at the example children. The sun warms the earth. The sun is only one, whereas the earth is also only one. So before that you can use the article as the. So the sun, the earth. Now look at the next example. He watched the moon all night. Moon is also only one. So before that you can use the article as the. He watched the moon all night. Look at the next one. There are many kites in the sky. Sky is also only one. So you can use the article as the. My father knows the prime minister. There is a single prime minister for a country. So before the prime minister, you can use the article as the prime minister. The headmaster gave a speech yesterday. We have point out about here. It is for a specific person. We can use the article as the headmaster. My brother can read the Quran. For holy books, before the names of the holy books, you can use the article as the. My brother can read the Quran. We can use the article the before the superlatives. Before the superlative degree, we shall use the article as the best, the worst, the biggest. So it is the best, worst and biggest are known as superlative degree. Before the superlative degree, we can use the article as the best, the worst, the biggest. Next, when the noun is followed by of, Belgrade is the capital of Serbia. So here for the specific place, we can use the noun, that is the article as the. Look at the next one. When the noun is followed by a definite relative class, for the relative class, the social network, for a specific thing, we can use the article as the social network. We use most often is Facebook. So here it is mentioned the article as the. Look at the next one. With for a common expression, we can use the article as the. At the moment, for the specific purpose, we can use the article as the. It specifies the noun. It is used when the noun referred to has already been mentioned. At the moment, at the age of 10, in the end. So here the article is used as the, that is definite article. Children, we have learned that is what you mean by articles and what you mean by definite article and definite article, where we have to use the article as a, and, at, the. Now let's take down the rules and then definitions and the example in your grammar notebook. First take your notebook, children. Mention the date. Mention the title as articles. Now take down the definition. Listen carefully and then you can take down in your notebook. Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. That articles means it is a word that define a noun. Either the noun is the specific or unspecific. Then articles are divided into two categories. One is the definite article and another one is the indefinite articles. A and an are known as indefinite articles, whereas the is known as definite article. The definition for indefinite article. The articles a and an are used to refer to a noun for the first time. They are called indefinite articles. That is, a and an are known as indefinite articles. And then before this, that is a noun. For singular noun, you can use the article as a, which is referred to a noun for the first time. Now leave one line. By the next line, you can write the definition for definite article. The article the specifies the noun. It is used when the noun referred to has already been mentioned. Thus, the definite article. For the specific purpose to point out a particular thing, we can use the article as the. And the article the is known as definite article. Now look at the example. The moon, the mall. Moon is only one thing in the word, so it is mentioned as the article the. And the mall, when we point out for a specific thing or a specific place, there we can use the article as the. So the answer is the mall. The example is the moon and the mall. Usage of the article a. We use a before a singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. What is this? We have to use the article a before a singular noun. The noun must be a singular and it consists of the consonant sound. Before that noun, you can use the article as a. Look at the example. A cup, a hat. Now look at the next term. We use a when we talk about a person, a place, an animal or a thing for the first time. When we speak about these things for the first time, we can use the article as a. The example, can you lend me a pen? Pen is a singular thing and it gives the consonant sound. So there we can use the article as a pen. Now look at the next is very important. Some words begin with a vowel but the vowel has the sound of a consonant. Now look at this. Uniform. It begins with the vowel letter. University. This word is also begin with the vowel letter, whereas it begins with the vowel letter. The sound produced by these nouns are consonant sounds. Uniform, university, it is a consonant sound. So before that we have to use only the article as a. Now listen, although these words begin with a vowel, that is a u, the beginning sound is u. Listen, uniform. So it is a consonant sound. So we use the article a before this words, that is a uniform and then university. Only one line. The next, usage of an, where we have to use the article as an. We use an before a singular noun, but it should begin with a vowel sound. It must be a singular noun. Before the singular noun we can use the article as an, but the noun should consist of the vowel sound. An army, owl, umbrella. These are vowel sound. So before this singular noun, but it must be a vowel sound, we can use the article as an. We use an when we talk about a person, a place, an animal or a thing for the first time. We can use the articles an, but it must consist of the vowel sound. Look at the example. I will eat an orange now. Orange is the vowel sound. So we can use the article as an. Now look at the next point. Some words begin with a consonant, but the consonant has the sound of vowel. Look at this. Honorable man. H is there. R. H is there. It is a consonant letter, whereas this consonant letter produces the sound of vowel. So here we have to use only the article as an. An honorable man, an R. So children, you should concentrate only the sound of the noun. You should not look about the letters. So you should concentrate more about the sound of the noun. First letter H in these words, that is in honorable man, and then R is silent. H, the sound of the letter H is silent, and the first sound we are here is that of O, honorable, R. So since O is a vowel, we use an before the words honorable and R. So you should concentrate only on the sound of the noun. But as a vowel sound, you have, even though the letter is a consonant letter H, the sound is a vowel sound. So we have to use the article as an. Then leave one line. Next, write the usage of the article the. We use the when we talk about a particular or a specific person or place, animal or thing. There we can use the article as the. Look at the example, children. Give me the small green pencil. The small. When we point out for a specific thing, there we can use the article as the. The small green pencil. Now let's look at some rules where we have to use the article the. We also use the with the following. For the river, name of a river, sea and oceans, we can use the article the. The Ganga, the Indian Ocean. Now look at the next example. Before the mountain ranges, we can use the article the. So the Himalayas. For the group of islands, we can use the article as the. Example, the Maldives. For famous buildings, we can use the article the. The Taj Mahal. For holy books, we can use the article the. Look at the example, the Quran, the Bible, the Hindu. Like for the holy books, we can use the article. For some names of newspapers, the Times of India, the Indian Express. So for this type of newspapers, we can use the article as the. Then for the titles, the PM of India. There is only one PM. The PM of India. For natural objects that are one of a kind, for only one thing, there we can use the article the. The sun, the moon, the earth. Next, names of trains and ships, you can use the article the. The train. That is the Titanic. Before superlatives, we can use the article as the. The eldest son, the best, the worst. So for the superlative, before the superlative degree, we can use the article as the. So children, we have learned about articles and what it means by definite articles and indefinite articles, and the usage of the article a, and then, where we have to use these articles. that is a before the noun, where how you have to use the articles such as a, and then the. So children, learn this articles thoroughly and then take down the rules, definitions and examples in your grammar notebook. Mention the date, write the title and write it neatly, underline it wherever necessary. After completing this articles in your grammar notebook, take a photocopy and send it to me. Thank you.